Hey guys, and today I'll be showing you how I can make a tram roundabout build in City Skylines. So first what I want to do is go to my transport panel here, and I want to go to the tram tab, and I want to use the one-way tram track. With the track selected, I want to select the curve tool and start drawing a circle. So I want to go 4 units straight ahead and click, and then go 4 units to the left and click. And then I'll just continue this pattern with the rest of the circle, like this. Then what I want to do is make a quick road right here and search for roundabout in my search panel. And I want to find the 6x6 roundabout island. So I'm just going to select this one, place it down, and then I'm going to use move it and select the roundabout island. And I'll just drag it over to where my tram track is. And next what I want to do is adjust the node points of the tram track so it lines up closely to the roundabout island asset. So I'm going to adjust it like this. So once it's all aligned like this, what I next want to do is go back to my transport tab, and I want to select this 4-lane road of tram tracks. Then I'm just going to draw it on all 4 sides of the roundabout like this. Also want to delete this road down here. I'm just going to replace these again so they are more straight. So next what I want to do is go to my roads tab and go to the small heavy roads and select a 3-way one-way road from the Network Extensions 2 mod. And then I want to draw another roundabout using the curve tool, and I want to start placing the roads at the minimum distance required. So just like right here. In here I'm just going to go 7 units straight ahead and another 7 units to the left. And then I'll just do the same on all 4 curves, like this. Then I'm going to upgrade these inner roads to tram tracks. For my roundabout, I don't want this 4th road here, so I'm going to just delete this like that. And pretty much we have our template. Next what I want to do is fix some of this green grass poking out of the middle of the roundabout here. So I'm going to go to the search tab and search for brush. I want to use this 1x1 concrete round brush. I want to turn on anarchy by doing Control A. I'm just going to apply this brush here to remove the grass sticking out. I want to place it near this road so I don't have so much of this beige texture leaking out. Can also use move it after the fact and move the brush assets away from the center area like this. Then what I want to do is go back to my search tab and search for trimmed. I want to use this trimmed green bush. I'm just going to place a couple outside this area here in a pattern like this. Then I want to use move it. I want to select trees and then copy this pattern to the roundabout. Then I want to paste it everywhere. I'm just do some variation by selecting it and pasting it. Then I want to also select a couple in here to fill the rest. Then I'm just going to do the edges manually 1 by 1. Also just select it here. I also should enable prop and tree anarchy by doing Shift P on my keyboard to avoid any collisions. Then I want to add a sculpture to the middle of the roundabout. So I'm just going to search for sculpt. I'm just going to use this light artwork sculpture and try to place it in the middle like this. And I'm just going to go back to move it and remove the trees that are overlapping in the sculpture. Also want to go back and search for the trim bush. Place them around the roundabout. Also, I may want to straighten it too by holding down my right mouse button and rotating it. So I look at it from above and do some other more minor adjustments. So the next one I want to do, once I'm done at the center, is I want to go to search here, and I want to search for generic. I'm going to use this tree right here, generic tree small, and I'm just going to surround this inner ring here of the roundabout with these trees. And then for the outer ring, I'm going to use this generic tree large 1 and place it around here. And since I'm not placing too many trees, I'm doing the placing manually without using prop line tool. So next what I want to do is extend these tram roads out so I can build a residential area around it. And also inside the roundabout, I want to place a concrete area filter to stop the grass from going through the sculpture. So I'll just continue building the area outside the roundabout. So here I'm going to add some tram lines by going to the transport tab here. Then I'll select the tram line tool and place stops on the road here. Once I'm done placing the stops, I'll select the tram vehicles I want to use on the sidebar here, and then I'll manually add the number of vehicles I want on the line. So then I'll set up the second tram line also in the same way. Also, since this is a roundabout, what I also want to do is go to my traffic manager, go to switch traffic lights. I want to turn traffic lights off like this. Then also I'm just going to add some markings here. So now the area around it is done. So that's pretty much it on how to make a tram roundabout build in City Skylines. Thank you for watching this build video. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to like, leave a comment below, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.